guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be showing you my little haircut that I got at home. I'm sitting right here in our little makeshift salon at home. I have the hair washing sink behind me. I'm sitting in the hair cutting chair. We've got our little vanity over there. I've been so grateful that my sister has been able to cut my hair and keep it maintained while in quarantine. She is a hairdresser, so she actually gave me a little cut yesterday. She gave me an angle and a trim and gave me a nice blowout. I did add some curls today, but you're gonna see that footage roll in just a bit. But I first wanted to also mention that I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do DIY lash extensions right at home. And I'm also going to be featuring this new Gucci mascara that I've been using and I've been loving. So you guys will see this in action today. So you guys are also gonna see what products I use to get my DIY eyelash extensions at home and how I make them really natural looking, but at the same time looking full and voluminous. So before I get into the video, I want to mention that all the products that you see in this video will be certainly linked down below in case you guys want to check them out. But really quickly, I wanted to show this microfiber hair towel from Amazon that I've been using every single time I get out of the shower. And you're gonna see me use it in a little bit. I believe this comes in different sizes, but I got the biggest size if it does. And it's nice because I have really long hair and the material of this towel just dries it really fast. And it also doesn't damage your hair or promote frizz like a regular towel would. It also has a little loop on each end of the towel, which makes it really easy for you to wrap your hair up and secure it. I highly recommend checking out this towel to wrap your hair with. It was under $20 on Amazon Prime. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and without further ado, let's get into it. So before every time my sister either cuts my hair or gives me a blowout, I always get my hair washed in the sink here. And I ran out of the shampoo and conditioner that I normally use, but it's by Paul Mitchell and I will link it below. But this is the shampoo and conditioner that I'm going to be using today. It's what my sister uses on all her clients, and it's the Mega Sleek by Matrix. This shampoo and conditioner is actually made with shea butter, so it makes your hair extremely soft and sleek. So that's what she's gonna use on me today. So after my hair is washed, I will take the towel and then I'll wrap it like this. I like flip my head over and twist it. And then there's like actually a little loop here that I put the back through, so it's like really secure. So how I usually get my hair cut is just one length straight across at the bottom, and she gives me like a long angle with the shortest piece starting right like above my boobs, like at my chest. So my hair is all done now, it's all blown out, and it's Frankie's turn to get his hair cut. Amanda cuts his hair like once a week, you know, while the salons are closed. Okay, so before I start doing my eyelashes, I always take my little hair clips to clip back my hair. These are the clips that I'm using today, and they're from Sephora. I actually showed these clips in my last video, which was an online shopping haul, so definitely watch that video if you haven't already. But I've been using these just to pull back my hair so it does not get in my face. So the mascara that I've been loving recently is this one, and it's by Gucci. It's so cute because it's actually gold up here at the handle, and then the tube itself is a baby pink color. I will put the name of the mascara on the screen right here because I can't pronounce it, but it just recently came out. I don't think Ulta carries this mascara. I will double check, but I picked mine up from Sephora, and I will leave this mascara in the description box below. So I actually use this mascara on a day-to-day basis, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks on its own. So the bristles on this mascara is kind of like a silicone comb, and there's a bunch of mini bristles on there to really separate the eyelashes apart. Whenever I'm putting mascara on, I always like tilt my head back and lift my eyebrows up, and I do that so it prevents any mascara getting onto my eyelids. Sometimes I'll go in again if I'm not wearing any false eyelashes on that day, and I'll go in with a second coat just to really enhance the lashes, but I usually don't end up doing that if I'm going in with fake lashes, just because I'm not gonna need it. I don't know if you could tell, but this mascara really just lengthens my lashes and darkens them, and it also like pulls them apart really well. And I really like how the wand has a bunch of mini bristles too, because that's what really pulls them apart. Once my mascara is completely dry, I will then go in with my favorite lashes. These are my go-to lashes, and they're by the brand Kiss, and they are the style number 11. And I actually get the 5-pack in these. I get them really cheap at Walmart. I think the 5-pack is like under $10. And if you clean your glue off after every use, you could actually use them for about 4 to 5 times each. So with this 5-pack, you could potentially get 20 to 25 wears out of them, which is really good. So the reason why these look so much like eyelash extensions to me is because they're really fluttery, and as you can see, they get longer and fuller as they come to the outside. So what I've been doing for years to make the lashes look a little bit more natural is I've been taking a little mini pair of scissors and actually cutting them. So this is what the full strip of lashes look like. I will go ahead and go like 1/4 of the way in, and I will cut the lash actually right about here. And then I will go ahead and attach the lash to the outer portion of my eye, leaving the very inner corner of my eye completely plain with no eyelash on there. And I feel like that's what makes it the most natural because it blends a lot easier and seamless. So this is actually the eyelash glue that I've been using for a while, and it's just the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive, and it has aloe vera in it, and I get it in the shade black. So in the past, I've used other eyelash glues that actually get like really stuck to my eyelashes and to like my lash line, and it's like ripped my eyelashes out before. So I've tried a bunch, and this by far is the best and easiest to use. It doesn't get stuck on my real eyelashes, and it doesn't pull or tug or rip them out or anything like that. So after my eyelash is all trimmed, I'm actually going to take it on a tweezer, just like that. And then I'm going to apply a thin layer of the eyelash glue right on top. So I will wait for the glue to get a little bit tacky before putting it on, and I will just hold a small mirror close, and then I'll just like look down. And what I do is I place it on the outer corner, and then I will take my tweezers and then I will connect each end. I usually do the inner end first, and then I will go in with the outer corner and attach it just like that. So right now it's really just like sitting in place, and after that I will go in with my tweezer and I'll actually like clamp down, and I'll pinch together my real lashes with the fake ones. So this is actually what it looks like before I go in with more mascara, but I'm just gonna leave this now and wait for it to dry while I do my other eye. So this is what they look like without any extra mascara on top. I just have 1 coat of mascara underneath, like you saw me do, and then the eyelashes are on now. And as you can see already, they just look like, honestly, like eyelash extensions. And they're really natural looking, and I think a big part of that is because I faded it from the inner corner going to the outer corner. So absolutely no false eyelashes in my inner corner. But that's where I'm gonna go in with mascara now after my eyelashes have dried, and I'm just gonna go over that section, just darkening it a tiny bit, but I obviously still want it to be gradual and getting thicker and darker to the outer corner. And I don't know if you could tell if that made a difference, but it makes a difference to me, and it's just a little extra step that I like to do to blend everything together. I also wanted to show you guys up close with my eyes closed because the band is actually invisible and it blends really seamlessly with your lash line, not giving away that you have a strip eyelash on. That is how I blend them, and then I'll obviously let that all dry for like another couple minutes. So that is all I do for my DIY eyelash extensions at home, and I've actually left these on for more than one day before, and if you guys want to do that, it's totally okay. Just make sure no water or any makeup remover gets near your eye area. What I do is I actually remove the rest of my makeup with a makeup remover wipe, so I just ensure that nothing is getting near my eyes. So I would definitely recommend doing that if you want to leave your eyelashes on for a little bit longer. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my little hair routine in today's video on how I get it washed, cut, and blown out. I would say I get trims every 2 to 3 months just to keep off the dead ends and keep my hair really healthy looking. All the products seen or used in today's video will certainly be linked down in the description box, including my favorite shampoo and conditioners, the Dyson blow dryer that my sister used to achieve my blowout, all of the makeup products and eyelashes I used to achieve my DIY lash extensions. I will also link my favorite curling iron below in case you guys are on the hunt for a really good everyday curling iron to use. But that's all I have for you guys today. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos. And that's all I have for you guys today, and I'll see you in my next one.